Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Euler proves a key quality ingredient in Nell Strop's recipe for success.
Alpala delivers comprehensive service support globally.
Pottery Pug of Bangladesh has great potential in the world market of fragrant rice.
Production of the new SYSM1 membrane sensor began, which highlights Samaga's continuous R&D work to improve storage solutions.
Turkey Instruments continuing to increase number of exporting countries and widen the borders.
Satake launches new optical sorter Narami, high processing capacity sorter with near.
Feature about roll care profile measurement device in the milling process.
Caption news on Hum Oil and Fat Technologies 500 TPD extraction plant in Adana, Turkey.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021. Exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.